Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay insurance bills using Cred App. Open the Cred App and the user interface looks like this. At the bottom you have pay, click on pay. Under pay you can pay rent and education fees, and also you can do the mobile recharges. Under household and more you can see the LPG cylinder and insurance premium. Click on insurance premium and select your insurance provider. After selecting the insurance provider, you need to enter your policy number and click on continue. And after that, depending upon the insurer, it will ask you your date of birth. Enter your date of birth. Click on continue. Over here you can see that it will show your policy number and customer name and the total amount. Check the details properly and after that simply click on pay now. In the payment gateway page, it will show you the recommended methods. Click on view all, select whatever payment method you want and make the payment. I have selected my credit card. You can even select UPI also and click on proceed to pay and make the payment. Here you can see the message, we have received your payment of so and so and the estimated credit time is 20 minutes. So that's it guys. In this way you can pay your insurance premiums using Cred App. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.